AI is not just changing technology. It's changing how money is made. And 99% of regular investors have no idea what's happening right now. In 2026, over 70% of all stock market trades are now made by algorithms, not humans, not fund managers, not analysts, machines. And here's the part nobody tells you. These machines are getting smarter every single day. Change number 1. AI predicts market movements faster than any human. Goldman Sachs, BlackRock, JP Morgan, they all use AI to analyze millions of data points in seconds. News, earnings reports, social media, weather patterns, all processed in milliseconds. Before you even read the headline, AI has already made the trade. Change number 2. AI is replacing stock analysts. 10 years ago, large banks employed thousands of research analysts. Today, AI does that job in seconds. And more accurately. This isn't a prediction. This is already happening. Change number 3. AI makes investing accessible. Tools like robo-advisors now manage portfolios automatically. You set your goals. AI does the rest. No expertise required. No broker needed. This is the single biggest shift in investing since the internet. So what does this mean for you? First, don't fight AI. Use it. Robo-advisors, AI-powered ETFs, and smart tools level the playing field. Second, focus on what AI cannot replace. Your long-term vision, your patience, and your discipline. AI trades in milliseconds. Smart investors think in decades. Third, understand that AI creates more volatility short-term but more efficiency long-term. The crashes will be faster. The recoveries will also be faster. The future of finance is not human versus machine. It's humans who understand machines versus humans who don't. Follow Future Finance Lab for more. I share one investing lesson every single day. This is not financial advice. Do your own research.